This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. Jack Lotz on the James Dix Financial Network. U.S. services sector grew at a faster than expected pace in October, boosted by strength in new orders. The Institute for Supply Management's index gauging the health of non-manufacturing industries registered 55.8. That is up from 54.8 in September and much higher than the consensus expected. Citigroup has forced out Chuck Prince as chairman and chief executive amid word the financial services giant will write down as much as another $11 billion in bad mortgage assets. Robert Rubin, the former U.S. Treasury Secretary and co-head of Goldman Sachs, will become the chairman. Time Warner's chief executive, Richard Parsons, will be stepping down and replaced by Chief Operating Officer Jeffrey Boukas. He is identified as their heir apparent since 2005, will take over the CEO job January 1st. Parsons will remain on as chairman. IAC Interactive Corp., the internet conglomerate run by media mogul Barry Diller, said it will break itself into 5 publicly traded businesses. The company has said its HSN home shopping network, Ticketmaster ticketing service, Interval timeshare business, and LendingTree mortgage referral units would be spun off. PetroChina shares more than doubled in their Shanghai debut, giving the oil giant a $1 trillion market cap, easily surpassing ExxonMobil as the world's largest company. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke will head to Capitol Hill this week to give his views on the economy. Bernanke's appearance in front of the Joint Economic Committee on Thursday could be the highlight of this week's economic news. In Forex news today, the dollar is not getting much respect these days, and nothing seems to be able to prop it up either. U.S. currency is getting pushed around with little regard, with the subprime mortgage house of cards falling down and billions of dollars leaving top financial banks. There is an uneasy feeling of crisis. Oil prices approaching $100 a barrel. Gold continues to advance. Many equities are taking a reality check, and jobs are only starting to get wiped out a bit. All of these factors are playing a part in the continuing decline of the U.S. dollar. Meantime, the Canadian dollar surged its highest level against the U.S. dollar since the currency was floated a half-century ago after surprisingly strong Canadian employment data improved the loony's interest rate appeal. The Canadian dollar has risen over 20% against the dollar so far this year. Analysts said the recent jobs data increased the chances that the Bank of Canada would leave the interest rate on hold, 4.5% in the coming months. And BNP Paribas chief currency strategy said that the dollar may drop to $1.50 per euro by the end of the year. The median estimate of 42 strategists is for the dollar to end the year at $1.43. Among those surveyed last week, the forecast ranges from $1.42 to $1.50. Scheduled economic reports coming out tomorrow include the retail chain index for the week of November 3rd. Earnings news today, Burger King said its fiscal first quarter earnings rose 23%, surpassing Wall Street expectations. The chain earned $49 million or 35 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 33 cents. Entergy reported its third quarter profit jumped 19%. Net income rose to $461.2 million or $2.30 a share. Analyst consensus $2.18. And food distributor Sysco Corporation reported it earned $267 million or 43 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 41 cents a share. Scheduled earnings reports coming out on Tuesday include Cox Radio, Avis Budget Group, Cooper Tire and Rubber, Silicon Graphics, Molson Coors Brewing, El Paso Corp, Health South, Nortel, Ruth Chris Steakhouse, and Tenet Healthcare among the marquee names. Some of the stocks in the news we've been watching today. PepsiCo reorganized its business into 3 units: PepsiCo Americas Foods, PepsiCo Americas Beverages, and PepsiCo International. The Home Depot and Lowe's were downgraded by Deutsche Bank, who said that a recovery in the U.S. housing market is further off than he had previously thought. And Dell will be acquiring privately held EqualLogic, a network storage provider, for $1.4 billion in cash. And that's the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.